Hey, this is a quick demo of iteration mode for agents. So let's say you've set up an agent. I have a scheduled agent here, a very simple one with simple instructions. The instructions here are to make a request to Autotask to get tickets and rank them based on hours spent. Now, I could spend a lot of time running the agent manually and then updating instructions, running it again, and I can keep doing that for a long time until I get to until this agent is giving me the desired output I like. Or we could run this in iteration mode. To get to iteration mode, you hit run now, hit iteration mode. Neo will run this agent step by step and continue when it thinks everything looks okay, and also pause for our feedback when it thinks something might be wrong with this agent. I hit start iteration mode, and now I need to give it the ideal case of what a good run should produce. So okay, now once that message is sent, the Neo support bot will be the one that is driving this agent. You will see here when a session has started and the Neo support bot is now driving this agent, you'll see a small docked status card with the actual agent name. And this is now the first attempt where we're running this agent in iteration mode. If I open this docked status card, you can see that I can see the usual tool calls that the agent makes, whether it's loading skills, creating sandbox requests. You can see at this point the agent has decided to pause and inspect the output from this request. You can see every time we reach an iteration checkpoint, the agent will pause, the Neo support bot will inspect everything and make sure that we're still moving towards our end goal. So the support bot has paused at a checkpoint, and notice that we have now, this scheduled agent has drifted from the goal. So instead of sending a nicely structured HTML email, it produced a dashboard style final summary. But don't worry, the Neo support bot has already proposed an instruction fix for this agent, and if we approve this, all we have to say is we approve those instructions, and the Neo support bot will now issue another attempt to run the scheduled agent. Okay, great. So it looks like attempt 2 ran, and the Neo support bot finished the iteration session and said it met the goal. So Neo support bot said it produced and sent a HTML internal email. Okay, so this email looks great, but let's say we want to make some changes. We don't really want more than 10 here. We want anything related to onboarding that is taking more than 30 minutes flagged or highlighted in red. We can now give some feedback as to what we want. Ideally, we want the report to only show us top 10 tickets. And for any ticket that has taken more than 30 minutes, we want that highlighted in red. And we could ask the agent to run the iteration session again to make sure the goal is met. Okay, so it looks like attempt 2 is now completed successfully. The Neo support bot drove the agent to close, and output looks great. So we have the top 10 tickets ranked by hours worked. We have any onboarding related ticket that lasted more than 30 minutes highlighted in red, which is exactly what we want. And now this agent is ready to be run on a scheduled basis.